Set loaded beast. Right leg beast reach for the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into right leg front step. Take the right leg back into your scorpion reach. Return to loaded beast, sting the tail. Wave and load for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and return for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, jump to deep ape, reach, open, set deep ape, pop back to loaded beast, speed up the tempo, left leg beast reach for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into left leg front step. Into left leg scorpion for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to loaded beast, sting the tail. Wave and load for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, return for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, jump to deep ape, reach, open, set deep ape, pop back to loaded beast.